Hello friends, welcome to Buy Grapes. Today's topics will be from Technology, Google DeepMind, Genome India project, from Conservation, the IUCN Green Status Assessment, Seed Germination Database, from Geography, Zero Shadow Day. Google DeepMind, in collaboration with Georgia Tech researchers and Wild Dolphin Project, has built an AI model that is able to decipher and generate dolphin sounds. Its project name is Dolphin Gema, second Dolphin Gamma, third Dolphin Recording, fourth Dolphin Alpha. Its project name is Dolphin Gema. The largely depleted status of lions as determined by the IUCN Green Status Assessment indicates that first one, human impacts prevent the lion as a species from being fully ecologically functional across its natural distribution range. Second, lion habitats and populations have suffered extensive fragmentation, resulting in severe population declines across their range. So here both the statements are true according to IUCN Green Status Assessments indicates that the lions are not fully ecologically functional across its whatever distribution range they are. So this is true statement, first one. The second one, once this ecological functionality is limited, lion habitat fragmentation also impacted its fully functional ability. So this statement also true. Next one, statement regarding a zero shadow day. Zero shadow day is a day when the sun is directly overhead at noon, casting no shadow on vertical objects. So this is a statement. Next one is, it happens twice a year in place between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Third, it happens once a year in place between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Fourth, it happens once in year places between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, the same option. Here the answer is zero shadow day is a day when sun is directly overhead at noon, casting no shadow on vertical objects, which is correct. It happens twice a year between Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. So both the statement first and second are correct, no matter third and fourth statements are similar or not. So first and second A is correct. Another question with reference to seed germination database. This is initiative of the Ecological Restoration Alliance India, offering germination techniques intends to help restoration practitioners who can restore these plants or species for ecological restoration. Second one is, this is initiative of the Tree Restoration Alliance India, offering germination techniques intend to help restoration practitioners. Third, this is initiative of the Conservation Restoration Alliance India, offering germination techniques intends to help restoration practitioners. Or this is initiative of the Seed Restoration Alliance India, offering germination techniques intend to help restoration practitioners. Here the answer is A, first one. This is the initiative of Ecological Restoration Alliance India, offering germination techniques. Statements regarding Genome India project. First option is Genome India project is a research initiative led by the Bangalore-based Indian Institute of Science Center for Brain Research. Second, it is to create an Indian reference genome grid. Third, its application include medicine, forensics, and evolutionary studies. It has led to advancements in disease diagnosis, treatment. The answer is first option is correct. It is a research initiative led by Bangalore-based Indian Institute of Science Center for Brain Research. Second, it is to create an Indian reference genome grid. It is correct. Third, it states its applications as in medicine field, forensics, and evolutionary studies, because once you know the genome of a human, you can predict the sequence and diagnose the disease and bring new medicines, or we can say personalized medicines to treat particular disease. So these are the exam templates for your UPSC IAS preparations.